Hello everyone, my name is Tasneem Safdari, and in today's video I am going to discuss question number 9 of end semester paper of data science. In the previous videos we have discussed till question number 8, which is uploaded on my YouTube channel, so you can look to it. So let's start with question number 9 in today's video. Question number 9 contains of three different parts. So part A, consider the following data set. Calculate information gain of age, income, student and credit ratings. Find which attribute give the best first split, which is the highest gain. So we have here 14 rows, 14 info data set. Data set contains of 14 rows, so it contains id, age, income, student, credit rating, buys computer or not. So student also contains yes, no, and computer, whether he or she is buying the computer or not, also contains yes or no. So we have total sample 14 and yes equal to 9 and no equal to 5. So information gain approximation, use proportions of yes and no to estimate impurity. So count fractions of yes in subset P equal to yes upon total, and count fractions of no in subset Q equal to no upon total, which is 1 minus P into Q. So approximate entropy like measure maximum when P equal to Q equal to 0.5 and minimum when P equal to 0 or 1. It behaves like entropy. So step 1 we have age. So youth 5 samples. So yes equal to 2, no equal to 3. So P into Q. So P we have 2.2 upon 2 by 5. Yes upon total into no upon total 3 by 5. So it is 0.24. Middle and senior we calculate similarly, that is 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 4, which is 0.875, and 4 upon 5 into 1 upon 5, which is 0.16. So weighted impurity, that is impurity of age. So 5 by 14 into 0.24, because we have 5 samples and total was 14. Similarly 4 by 14 and 5 by 14 into the respective values which we have calculated. So this is the weighted impurity. So age approximate gain higher impurity reduction is 0.196. Now step 2 is for similarly we'll calculate it for income, and then weighted will be 4 upon 14. Similarly 4 upon 14, 6 upon 14. So similarly for income where impurity will also be calculated, and for student as well. Similarly 7 sample 7 and yes is 6, no is 1. So similarly it is calculated, and credit ratings also is calculated in the same way, that is 6 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 6 into 3 by 6. So this is the answer, and then we'll multiply it with like 8 by 14 into 0.187, so and add 6 by 14 into 0.25. So we get weighted credit. So best, now we'll divide it. So best split lowest impurity. So we have age, income, student, credit rating, and their similar values. So best first split is student because it is lowest. So first split is student. Okay, so we need to find best first split. Now second we'll have to calculate Gini index for all the attributes of question 9a. Find the best first split and then build the complete decision tree. So we have Gini as 1 minus P to the power 2, means P square minus Q square. So S total yes equal to 9 by 14. So Gini S will be 0.460, and Gini for attributes like age we have youth, middle and senior. So Gini will be 1 minus 2 by 5 square minus 3. Similarly we'll calculate it, and weighted will be 5 by 14 into 0. As we have calculated above, we'll do it in the same way here as well. But thus the formula is 1 minus P square minus Q square. Similarly for income, low, medium and high, and then weighted is 0.428. And for student, yes and no, and then the weighted Gini is calculated. Similarly, for credit ratings, we have calculated fair and excellent, and then their weighted Gini credit if 8 by 14 similarly. So best split using Gini equal to student. Again we have got student because it is lowest, that of student is 0.367. So again best split using Gini is student, which is lowest gain. Now we so this was question number 9a and b part, where we have calculated the best split. So in both cases we got answer as student, which is the lowest. Here it is the lowest Gini. Now we need to draw the two decision tree, one from information gain and one from Gini index, and compare the final rules from both the trees. So we have information gain decision tree 1. So student, then it is divided in student equal to number and student equal to no. So we'll go in the left side, and if student equal to yes, we'll go in the right side. Then credit rating fair, excellent, yes, no. So it is dividing, and if he or she is a student, will find his age can be youth, middle and senior. Youth, it will yes, if it is a youth, it will go this side. Middle, it will go in this area, and senior, it will go in this area. And for if he or she is not a student, so we'll find credit ratings. If it is fair, yes, and if it's excellent, then no. And then Gini in this was using information gain. Then using Gini index, so we have student equal to no and student equal to yes. Again student no, credit ratings fair and excellent, yes, no. And if he or she is a student, then we'll find his age, youth, middle or senior. So youth is yes, middle and senior both yes. So now we'll see the comparison table, which is the final result from both information gain and Gini index. So student equal to yes. So information gain output is also yes, and Gini index output is also yes, which is same. And student equal to no and credit rating equal to fair. So yes means output is same, and student equal to no and credit ratings equal to excellent. So information gain is also no and Gini index is also no. So the output is same, yes. For both the cases, every parameter output is same, and both the decision trees are also same. So before both splitting criteria selected, student are the root attributes, because for both the criteria student was the same as root attribute. And credit ratings for student equal to no branch, age for the student equal to yes branch. Therefore both trees generate exactly the same final decision rules, because root node was same. Then credit ratings for student equal to no branch was selected, and age for the student equal to yes branch was also selected. So both the trees were giving the same, both the methods were generating exactly the same final decision rules. So this was question number 9. All the three parts A, B and C discussed in detail and tried covering every possible points. And the calculations were also visible on the screen as we read it out. So this was all about end of question number 9, and here we finished the discussion of end semester paper. We have discussed all the questions mentioned in the paper. I hope you liked it, and if you want to watch the previous questions, you can look to the playlist uploaded on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.